Keyword optimization is a critical aspect of ensuring that your YouTube video reaches its intended audience. To select the appropriate keywords, start by identifying the core topic of your video. This is the main subject around which your video revolves. Once the core topic is identified, brainstorm related terms and phrases that potential viewers might use when searching for content similar to yours. These are your preliminary keywords. The next step involves using keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or the YouTube autocomplete feature. These tools will help you gauge the search volume and competitiveness of your preliminary keywords, providing insights into which terms are more likely to drive traffic. Additionally, analyze competitor videos that rank well in search results related to your topic. Examine their titles, descriptions, and tags to identify keywords they have optimized for. Use this information to refine your own keyword list. It is also important to incorporate long-tail keywords, which are longer and more specific phrases that viewers might use. Though they might have lower search volumes, long-tail keywords often have higher conversion rates as they attract a more targeted audience. When you have a final list of keywords, strategically place them in essential parts of your video metadata. This includes the title, description, tags, and even the video file name before uploading. Remember that the title should be compelling yet concise, and include the primary keyword close to the beginning. Descriptions should be informative and naturally integrate keywords without stuffing them. Tags should be a mix of broad and specific terms, ensuring a comprehensive coverage of potential search queries. Furthermore, create an engaging thumbnail and add relevant subtitles to enhance video's accessibility and searchability. Monitoring the performance of your keywords post-upload is crucial. Use YouTube Analytics to track the effectiveness of your keywords and make adjustments as necessary based on performance metrics such as watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. Regularly updating and optimizing your keyword strategy can offer continual improvements in visibility and engagement. By carefully selecting and managing keywords, you can significantly enhance the discoverability of your YouTube video, leading to increased viewership and engagement.